Hi there and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before. This is a really different video. This is weirdly about vegetable planter boxes. I have wanted one for a little while, and you sort of see things everywhere about grow your own, and they do taste better if you grow your own. My dad used to have a greenhouse where he grew tomatoes, cucumbers, as we say in England, courgettes, zucchini, and I used to really enjoy going and picking them just ready for dinner or whatever we were doing with them. They do actually taste better, so I just fancy doing it again. Now you can go to the do-it-yourself warehouses and buy a big tub or something, but we have a load of wood that's just littered around in the garage from when Sam made the adirondack chairs, and I've been going on and on about can you get rid of it. So what better way to get rid of it than to make a planter box that matches the chairs. So the other Saturday he actually made it, and we only fell out once, and that was over the size of the planter box. I just wanted something small. We're not talking about feeding the 5,000, it's just for us two in the house. I think we ended up going for 600 by 700, I think, and that's more than enough for what we need, because I wanted it close to the house because, well, I'm absolutely, completely, totally petrified of spiders, and so I wanted the planter box to be close to the house so that I could still go out there and touch it, go out and pick anything that we have actually grown. If it was down in the bottom of the garden, I wouldn't be going, and that's not that wasn't the point at all. So it's down here, and just on that, I mean, we moved from the UK, where I did used to do quite a lot of gardening and really enjoyed it, but I didn't like spiders in the UK. And then you come here, and what do you get? The biggest, nastiest, fattest spiders known to man. And so my gardening here just absolutely stopped. I just can't. It really takes all my gumption to go out and go in the garden. So yes, it was just a case of wanting something small and easy to manage. So anyway, the planter box was made. I have painted it in the same colour as the Adirondacks. So they're quite close together outside, so that looks really nice. Really happy with that. And then I just went to the garden centre, which you will see.
So I'm looking for a plant for my new hanging basket in the sort of seating area outside. I don't know if I want an ivy. How much are they? $25.99. Quite cute.
This is the plant I got for the hanging basket. It's still looking a little bit sparse, but I think give it another couple of days and that's really going to look quite nice.
Okay, I think I'm done. So I've got a plant for my hanging basket. I've got 2 marigolds to put with the tomatoes, green and gold zucchini, parsley, again it's supposed to be good to plant with tomatoes, and 2 tomato plants, a truss tomato and a sugar sack grape tomato. Okay, I'm done. So I've actually lined it with an old IKEA bag, which is just at the bottom, and then I've just put 2 25-litre bags of tomato and vegetable growing mix in. I actually think I need another half a bag, so I'm not going to plant today, and I'm just going to get my other bag and see how I feel about that tomorrow. So this is the planting that I've done. So we have the marigold plants, which are supposed to help keep the bugs at bay. and these have really actually come out really nicely since they've been planted up, and a few more flowers have even appeared, as has the parsley, which has really thickened up even in a matter of days, and the tomato plants, which have actually had to weather a storm since they've been put in. So I went and got 2 canes from a bamboo plant that we have planted up around the corner, and so they are now going to be tethered to these canes. And in the back there I've just put in a sneaky marjoram because we made a pasta dish at the weekend that required marjoram, so I thought, well, I may as well get the herb and plant it up rather than just buying it in the supermarket. And we also got a bit mad and bought a chilli, which I think Sam will certainly enjoy using those, me not so much, but that's fine. So we've actually got quite a healthy little planter box going. The tomatoes, I think it was this plant, yes, we've already got some little flowers coming, so with any luck we shall be able to pick tomatoes before very long. And that one was the, well, that's the sugar snack, so that's the little cherry tomatoes. I also used an old IKEA pot that we weren't using anymore and drilled some holes in the bottom, just put some of the compost that was left over and popped in a mint plant, because obviously with summer and pims and everything else, that will certainly get used a lot, and you cannot put that in with your other plants because it will just take over. Till the next time, I shall speak to you later. Bye bye.